You can always tell when someone is a middle child because they do not get treated like everyone else. Because one time, I was at an amusement park with 5 other people and one of them was a middle child. So during this whole day, we were going on different rides, but it was super crowded there. So about 3 hours into being there, we realized we lost our middle child friend. So I was like, wait, guys, has anyone seen Cole? But no one had, so we figured he just went to the bathroom or something without telling us. So we called him to tell him where we were at, and he finally met back up with us. But we asked him what happened, and he told us he got separated from us right when we entered the park. So we were like, you got separated from us 3 hours ago and didn't try to call to find us? And he was like, nah, I'm used to people losing track of me. It happens all the time at home, so I just wandered off and went on some roller coasters by myself. I felt horrible for that, but honestly, I respect middle children a lot. They're way less needy than us young